Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video, I have the bigger brother of the Tecno Spark 10C, which is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And guys, and this phone is costing around 45,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage with 8GB extended RAM feature. So in total, we have 16GB of RAM. But in my opinion, extended RAM, it is not really useful. So on the bottom it says, also the color I have is the Lunar X Lip. And this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. So here's the box of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Looks very similar. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 SoC, and this is the cheapest smartphone in the Pakistan market that gave you a MediaTek Helio G88, which is a really nice thing. So on the back we have 50 megapixel main camera. This phone has a 6.8 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. We also have 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. So now let's quickly unbox the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and now let's see that how is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is gonna looks like in the lunar color. So now let's remove the plastic, of course, like always. And on the back we have this seal. Let's remove that seal. Not that great. So now let's remove that like this. And now let's open this box. So we have mini box. When you open the box, here is our device, Tecno Spark 10 Pro in the lunar color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. As you can see, here is the Lunar X Lip. Color looks like vegan leather finish. The top area has a white finish, almost has a dark gray color. The back we have a single camera. We have 50 megapixel main with LED flash and VGA lens. So overall, I'm really liking this vegan leather finish on this phone, as well as the color of this phone looks really unique as compared to any other smartphone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed. So now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So the first thing, when you open the box, a soft silicone case which is a nice value. Here is our 1-year warranty card. Here is our charger, and guys, we have 18 watt fast charging on this phone. I wish that we have 33 watt fast charging on this phone. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable. So no hand free inside the box this time. So now let's put all these things to the side and now look at the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. Rubber gasket, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. So nice to see that. On the top we have nothing, no noise cancellation microphone, so volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. It is on the right hand side. Again, on the back we have a dual cameras. In total we have 50 megapixel main, then we have 1 megapixel which is a depth sensor with LED flash. So again, I'm really liking this vegan leather finish on this phone. We have a dual tone design. Also the bottom area, it is not completely flat. We have some lines, as you can see, which looks really nice. This phone looks really attractive. So this phone has 6.8 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Also we have a punch hole on the center which looks really nice, and the bottom chin, it is also really average. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display and the colors looks really nice, really vibrant. So now let's see the notification area. So we have auto brightness, we have NFC, so the display looks really bright, especially in indoors. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version. My phone, so this one is running on Android 13 with iOS version 12.6. We don't see iOS version 13 on this phone. So we have 128GB of internal storage out of 24.31GB it is already used. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. As you can see in the fingerprint scanner, it works fast, not the fastest. Now let's go to the display. Again, we have 120 Hz refresh rate. We also have color temperature option. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main, then we have 1 megapixel which is a depth sensor. So here is our 50 megapixel mode. Now let's go to the video section. So the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps, but we don't have a 1080p 60 fps. And in the video mode we also have HDR mode, which give you a better low light video performance as well as a better dynamic range in daylight. And we also have a bokeh mode, which give you a background blur in the video, beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available. And when you go right there, we also have pro mode. We also have slow motion, we also have a panorama. All those things it is available on this phone, which is a really nice thing. So now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see in the selfie camera looks really nice. The front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps, but we don't have a 1080p 60 fps. HDR also available with the front facing camera, as well as the bokeh mode, which give you a background blur, which works really nice. We also have a beauty mode, portrait mode, super night mode, and the slow motion it is also available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watts fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. This phone has an iconic design language which you haven't seen from any other brand. We have dual tone in the vehicle leather finish. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.